Make sure you liked, subscribe, and comment because, yeah, that keeps my channel running. So, yeah. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So y'all already see I'm feeling this swoop. So we're about to add more lazy girl styles to the mix. I have about three more at minimum. 3 more. Because there's a lot I can do with this little swoop. So we about to put it in action. We about to just get into it. And yeah, hope you guys like. So first and foremost, I'm about to touch up the front, you know, like the baby hairs and the swoop. I'm kind of nervous because the swoop a little crunchy. The swoop is a little crunchy. So we definitely will see if it's even going to do what it needs to do. I'm hoping so, but we will see. Okay, now on to the swoop. We'll see. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know if I should like put water on it first. I'm thinking put water on it first just so it's slick down again. Yeah. Woo. I'm nervous. I mean, it is slicky, but like not slicky enough. And I'm gonna put water on the brush. Okay, I'm gonna put some more just to make sure. I hate when I drop stuff on the floor. Like, I really want to go and like clean it off. But I mean, my floor is clean. I vacuum every day, so. Okay. Let me put a little bit on the side. Okay. Okay, we got it. So now I'm about to bobby pin it just so it can stay put while we do the top layer. If you watched my other video, I had these 2 little thingies, but now we're about to make it one. We're about to make it one. Okay, let me clear out some of my stuff because there's so much stuff right here. Okay, so we're done with the eco styler. I mean, not eco styler. We're done with the edge control. We're done with the edge brush. Okay. About to turn this into one. I'm not sure I have enough hair for one, so we're definitely going to add just a little bit. I'm not adding too much because I'm not putting that much in the bag, but just enough to solidify my bun. And then yeah. Okay. Put these together. Okay. I'm about to put eco styler on this side because that's the side visible. Scoop it up. Since you want to be a part of my bun so bad. Now y'all see that? I'm about to take this whole little chunk. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I mean, I could. Hold on, yo. See, it wants to act crazy. So Swoop is secure, but we're just gonna put it right here just until. Okay, about to scoop this up. And then brush it up, brush up. Yeah, I don't know why I thought to do that. Duh, I should have did this first. Okay, gonna get a rubber band. Rubber band, okay. And bun this. Why do I feel like I really can get away with just using my hair? I really do feel like I can. Let me see. I can get away with using my hair. I probably should have did it, bunned it backwards, but okay, we're gonna bun it frontward, well, backwards instead of frontwards. So I don't know if I'm going to add hair yet, but I think I just might. Okay, so let's take out this. Let's take out my back just to see what we're working with. It's a little wet at the bottom. I definitely did get it wet in the shower, so it might be a little puffy. I might actually just go in and moisturize it up so it's not as puffy. So now for the swoop. So I bobby pin the top, and then I twist it a little bit, bring it around, and bobby pin the back. Okay. I feel cute. Okay, now for the bun. I already know the drill. Using my better length clip. My clip in. I'm gonna wrap it around with this one. Problematic. And then turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. Fold it over. Rubber band. Rubber band it again. And then fold this over. Band that. I'm going to use this and feed it around. Fluff it out a little bit, and we are done. Okay, so now I'm about to add some water and maybe a little product. I don't really want to put too much in it, but it's really, really puffy because of the water. So I'm going to add some water. Water is my best friend when it comes to my hair. Like, my hair be thirsty. I got some thirsty hair. I sprayed my face. This how people be feeling. Y'all, I am reckless with the, what's it called? With the water bottle. Like, no body part is off limits. Man. Drench, 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 drench. Yay! Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Feel better. I feel better. Let's put the bottom. You make me a fool for you. I'm a and I am done. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep coming back because HAIRtober is nowhere near finished, and we're gonna finish this off. I am going to do all 31 days, all 31. Okay. Whew, it sounds like a lot, I know, but I'm gonna do it. See you guys later.